Oh, James is videoing it.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
You sit back in there.
You gotta catch it, dude. I don't have free hands with the ball.
It's
Yeah.
crazy, yeah.
Careful, yeah. Just careful, he's gonna maybe try and get it clean now, yeah. Straight forward, you know?
It's okay if I move.